Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 325 Freedom. The outside hull color is Ocean Mist. This boat is powered by twin Yamaha 300s Helmmaster. Here you'll see dual battery switches with dual batteries. Engine flush. As we come in to the boat, I have a very large fish box, freshwater sprayer, and a Transom live well. This also has the flip bench seat here in the back. This boat is going to have the dual seats that slide, cockpit door. As you'll see up here, this boat is going to have the hardtop with the color Ocean Mist underneath, and also the sure shade above. Coming forward, here at the helm, you've got dual seats, also seating on the port side. This is going to have Helmmaster with set point, digital throttle and shift, and the power seat button right here. Over here on the port side, you'll see a full head compartment and also storage space with sink. Coming through the boat, you're going to have a bow block-off door. Also going to have a cabin here on the starboard side, and all your main controls will be, switches will be inside that cabin area. Coming forward, you'll see all the seating up in the bow, filler cushion, and the windlass anchor. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 325 Freedom. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.